Talofa, I'm Lapi Mariner.
What's up everyone, I'm Vi'i.
We're at the Gold Coast Convention Centre and we've had the Vasa Performing Arts fiafia night here on the Gold Coast. So yeah, it's a great evening and we got to showcase just over 200 children, from primary, intermediate and up to state high school level. So it's been great. So this is the second year. So last year it was a much smaller group, and they were at the Hota Performing Arts function room. But in terms of this volume and this this size, it's this is huge. So first time in a bigger arena. What's our involvement?
Yeah.
Oh, just the vocals and teaching the kids, a lot of the songs, the Samoan songs, and so that's been our involvement.
Yeah, I was just blessed that also Lapi kind of called up and asked me if I wanted to be involved and just help out with the kids and just hearing the vision and everything as well from Tupa'i and the team here at Vasa. And I know this guy's heart as well behind it all, so it all kind of made sense, and it was automatic just to come and help out. So loved tonight, really warmed my heart, and I know for all the parents out here supporting their kids, we all love our children and all love them doing well and learning about the culture. So that was real special for me just to see all the children just learn more about their culture and just get involved together, especially here in the GC.
Yeah, it's definitely important. That's why we're on board, because we don't want these kids, especially here in Australia, to grow up and then have an identity crisis. And so, back home in New Zealand, we have the luxury of, the denominations, so many churches where we're doing that, and we have Polyfest. We're here, and especially here on the Gold Coast, we don't have that luxury. And so this is the start of new things, to come here and to really encourage our kids to embrace their culture and not be it's so, and it's good for their parents as well, and because they come along to the practices. So 22 weeks, we've had 22 weeks with these kids, and I just take my hat off to all of the tutors. But yeah, that's the one thing is we don't want these kids to lose their culture, so yeah, it's important. I think it was when we came on board and when we taught the vocals, that's probably the highlight, because it took us back to when we were that age, and the same style that how we taught these kids was the same style that how we were taught. So that's all we did. We just taught them the way that we were brought up, and so yeah.
Yeah, for me it was like again like Lapi was saying, it was childhood memories. It brought me back to Hamilton, to Boroa, to Auckland, but especially with my brother Naines as well, and them also doing super back home. Just walking in with my kids and seeing how everything was, and it really made me miss my family as well, but also proud just to be a part of this here in the GC, and also just hearing about all the families coming from Brizzy and just all over north side. So they've travelled afar, just to be involved in this, and also with all the practices and everything. So much love to all the parents and all the grandparents and just everyone that's involved, especially the kids. Much love to you guys, man. So proud of each and every one of you.